Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Wilsonville, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, February 27th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. First thing we'll look at is active listings. This last week, we had 10 new homes come on the market in Wilsonville, which is down from 16 the week prior, but up from the weeks kind of prior to that. And we ended the week at 16 homes on the market, which has been pretty consistent here over the past month, up just a couple from the week prior. Median list price and days on market for the actives, you'll kind of see we had a high of a bit over 850,000 here about a month, 5 weeks ago or so. This last week came in at 640, so quite a bit of variability, obviously, between the last month of activity. And then days on market been pretty wide range as well. Had basically 3 the last couple of weeks, but we had a high of 53 here about a month ago. So most of the newer listings that have been coming on, obviously haven't been on the market very long. And then moving on to the pending sales, you'll see last week we recorded 7 homes went into pending status. That's about half from the week prior, about the same from where it was a couple weeks earlier than that. Ended the week at 72 homes in pending status. That's down from 80 the week prior, but again, kind of in line with where it's been over the past month or so. Median price and days on market for the pendings, you can kind of see that's been steadily increasing. We had a low of 665 here 6 weeks ago. This last week came in at 685, so about 10, 11,000 more than the week prior. And then days on market for the pendings have been kind of falling, had a high of 14 here 6 weeks ago. This last week we came in half of that at 7. So, things that have been selling in Wilsonville been selling quickly within a week. And then we'll move on lastly here to sold listings. This last week, as of the time I put this together, I show that we recorded 8 sales here in Wilsonville. That's up from the couple prior weeks. And ended the week, looking 4 weeks back here, we had 29 sales over the prior 4 weeks. So if you look 4 weeks of activity here, it had 29. That's the same as it basically was the couple weeks prior. So been pretty steady in terms of closings here over the past 2 or 3 weeks. And then the median sold price days on market, you can kind of see the sold price has been kind of dropping. We had a high of 650 here 6 weeks ago. And then this past month, basically, it's been right around 575, 580,000 has been the median sale price in Wilsonville. And then the days on market's been kind of falling as well. I had a high of 16 days, and then the last week we came in at 3. So obviously, over the past month, things that have been selling super fast within just a few days of going on the market. And then finally here, we'll look at weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the OLP or original list price. So the red bars is weeks of inventory here. So 6 weeks ago, we had just over 3 weeks of inventory, and then it dipped down to about a week and a half of inventory. We've been hanging right around just 2 weeks of inventory here the past 3 weeks. So still very, paints a picture of very much a seller's market, not enough inventory situation in Wilsonville, like most areas in the Portland metro area. And then the sale price as a percent of the list price, you'll see over the past month here, we've been living at, above asking price, basically. So this last week we came in at, just under 2% on average more than the asking price is what things have been selling for. So super competitive, obviously, price-wise in Wilsonville, and not enough inventory still. So hopefully that'll change here as we get deeper into spring. So to get a better look at the update, you can always click the link or button below the video, and it'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look. So I hope this update's been helpful to you. If so, please give me some likes, comments, shares, follows. Those are always appreciated. And if I can ever answer any questions about what's happening in the market or something about your particular situation, certainly would be happy to chat about it. So just give me a call or send me an email. So thanks for watching, and you have a great day.